Make it, take it, cut it short. What verbs can we use with trip? To arrange a trip, you need to plan your trip. Decide what to do. Then you organise your trip. Make it happen. We need to arrange a trip to Scotland sometime. I'm planning a trip to Edinburgh. Can you help me organise the trip? A big part of organising a trip is to book your trip. Pay for the things you're going to do. Right, I've booked the trip now. The train, the hotel, everything. Now it's time to go on your trip. We also say you take a trip somewhere or make a trip somewhere. This is the first time I've made a trip to Scotland. I need to take a trip to Wales next. It's always good to go on a trip to somewhere new. If you're having fun, extend your trip. If you're not, cut your trip short. I'm not busy at work, so I can extend the trip for another week. Although, if they need me back, I can cut the trip short.
If you want to reach your goals for learning English, you should watch this video. First, you should set a goal or establish a goal. That means you choose what you want to achieve and decide when you want to achieve it. Lucia set a goal of passing the exam for Advanced English by next January. Once the goal is set, you can pursue a goal or work towards the goal. You take action and try really hard to achieve it. Lucia studies every evening to work towards her goal of passing the English exam. Marcus quit his job to pursue his goal of building a jewellery business. If you work hard, you can achieve a goal, attain a goal, or reach a goal. This means you are successful in completing the goal. After working hard all year, Lucia reached her goal of passing the Advanced Level English exam. Well done, Lucia! You can achieve that goal too if you stay with us at BBC Learning English.
Do I accept the challenge? Yes. I think I can explain verbs we use with challenge in 1 minute. Something that poses a challenge or presents a challenge is difficult. Explaining this many words in a minute poses a challenge. The time limit presents a significant challenge. I accepted this challenge. I said yes. I can also say that I took on this challenge or took up this challenge. Taking on new challenges keeps me interested at work. Someone had to make this video, so I took up the challenge. Sometimes we don't pick challenges. We meet challenges or we end up facing challenges. Now, I've met the real challenge. There's not much time left. I'm facing a tricky challenge. We can respond well or badly to challenges. To be successful, you need to rise to the challenge, perform better to succeed. I've really had to rise to the challenge to stay in the time limit. Have I done it? I'm not sure how well I responded to this challenge.
It's our theory that this video will help you learn verbs to use with theory. A theory is an idea or ideas that are used to explain something. You can formulate a theory, then work on a theory, and develop a theory, which means you create the theory and then add more thoughts and ideas to it. Scientists have formulated a theory to explain this strange new phenomenon. Now they should find other experts to help develop their theory in order to improve it. Once you have the ideas, you should test the theory to see if it's true. New evidence might support the theory, be in favour of the theory, or challenge the theory, be against the theory. Nigel opened his singing academy to everyone to test his theory that anyone can sing after some training. Ruby sang beautifully, which supported Nigel's theory, but Dave's awful noises challenged Nigel's theory. Are you ready to test the theory that BBC Learning English can help you?
So, you want a way to learn words? You probably need a method. Let's learn verbs to use with method. A method is how you do something. Why not spend some time to devise a method, develop a method, or work out a method? Paula's working out a method to learn new words. She wants to develop a method that works for her. It takes a lot of thought to devise an effective method. If you already have one, you can follow that method or employ that method. That means use that method. Adopt a method means to start using one. Paula's going to adopt a new study method. She was following a method that her teacher suggested, but now she wants to employ her own one. Success is when a method works. To help other people adopt it, describe it. Say what your method involves. Paula's method involves revising new words many times. She knows this method works.
We all use technology, but what other verbs can we use with this word? A company might invest in technology. That means they give money to support its development. We're investing in technology in the health sector in the hope that a cure will be found. You can also develop technology, continually improve and advance it. They're developing software that will help reduce hospital waiting times. When technology is first used, we can say it is introduced. My work is always introducing new technology, but we don't know how to use it all yet. Technology can allow or enable something else to happen. This technology has allowed me to spend more time being creative and less time doing admin tasks. What can you do with technology?
Let me create an environment to help you learn verbs we can use with environment. Sometimes you have to create the right environment or provide the right environment for something to succeed. The best managers provide an environment that helps their staff perform well. As a parent, I try to create the best possible environment for my children. When we're in a new environment, we can explore it or adapt to it. Starting a new job can be tough. Often you have to adapt to a new environment quickly. Small children are keen to explore the environment around them. We can use environment to talk about nature, and when we do, we often talk about the importance of preserving the environment, protecting the environment, or safeguarding the environment. Pollution regulations safeguard the environment. Protecting the natural environment helps maintain biodiversity. By doing this, we can preserve the environments needed by different species. We hope to provide an environment where you can practice and improve your English, and we'd really like you to explore this.
A source is an original place, person or thing. Source is often used with the verb be. Fish oil is a good source of omega-3. In the same way, we can say that something provides a source of something. Small fish provide a food source for bigger sea creatures like sharks and octopus. We can use something as a source for something else. For example, I used a quote from this newspaper article in an academic essay. The newspaper was used as a source. If you tap into sources, it means you use something to bring beneficial results. The charity want to tap into the energy source to help heat houses. Sometimes you might need to locate the source of something. That means find it. We must locate the source of that leak. There's water everywhere.
What can you tarnish, polish, or project? Let's learn verbs we use with image. When we choose how people see us, we're deciding what image to project or present. If I want to project a serious image, I need to buy some smart clothes. Businesses design branding to present the image they want their customers to see. Once you've chosen it, you need to keep your image up or live up to your image. He really lives up to his bad boy image. It's not just for show. It takes a lot of money to keep up this stylish image. If you don't like it, then you can try and clean your image up. We can also use enhance or polish to talk about making your image better. After all the negative stories, the company was desperate to clean up their image. I'm trying to polish my image. What do you think is the best way to enhance it? Something that makes your image worse tarnishes your image. Losing the final tarnished his image as a winner. Our videos can help you keep up your image as a great English speaker. Keep watching them.
What's your opinion on learning with videos? Do you enjoy it? I'm asking for your opinion now. To reply, you can give or share your opinion. He asked me, so I gave him my honest opinion. If someone airs an opinion, they give you their opinion, even if no one asked for it. Tova will air her opinion on the topic, whether you want to hear it or not. If you voice your opinion, you write or say your opinion out loud. He doesn't often voice his opinion, so him telling you he's unhappy is quite significant. We can also say opinions vary. This means people have different and opposite opinions on something. When it comes to learning English podcasts people like, opinions will always vary. No one learns in the same way. We value your opinion. Appreciate it. So let us know your opinion on learning with BBC Learning English.